In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create TikTok agency account. By the end, you'll be ready to manage campaigns for clients from one place with the right settings in place. Start by opening the official TikTok ads website in your browser. This is where all agency and business accounts are created and managed. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see options to sign up from scratch or connect using your existing TikTok account. If you already use TikTok regularly, connecting that account can speed things up. If not, signing up with a new business email works perfectly too. Next, TikTok will verify your identity to confirm the account. You'll be asked to enter your email address, then type in the verification code sent to that inbox. Keep the tab open while you check for the code and look in your spam or promotions folders if it doesn't arrive right away. Codes typically expire quickly, so enter it as soon as you receive it. After verification, you'll be prompted to enter company details. Fill in your company website, choose your industry, select your region, and provide your company name and phone number. Use your official business website and pick the industry that best matches the services you offer. This helps TikTok tailor recommendations. Make sure your region is accurate, since it affects currency, billing options, and available features. For the phone number, include the correct country code and a number that can receive calls or texts for future confirmations. Once you've completed those fields, click. Continue to move ahead. You'll now follow the on-screen prompts that guide your initial setup. TikTok will ask about your advertising objectives, such as whether you care most about brand awareness, website traffic, or conversions. Choose the objective that aligns with the results you need for your clients. Don't worry if you're unsure. You can refine these settings later as you learn what works. When you arrive at your dashboard, start setting up your billing information. Select the payment method that suits your workflow, confirm your billing currency, and ensure your business details match what you entered earlier. Accurate billing info prevents payout or charging issues when campaigns go live. From here, take a moment to explore the app. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, campaign creation flow, reporting areas, and creative tools. Hover over menus, read the tooltips, and review any guided tours TikTok offers. Getting comfortable with the layout now will save time when you're building campaigns under pressure. That's it. Your TikTok agency account is set up and ready to use.